Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Toyota HiLux, stock reference number 5829. This shape ran from the 9th of 2015 to the present. It has a 1GD FTV 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a manual four-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our 1GD FTV 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine. We have our left front headlight, our left front guard, our left front wheel, steel, 17-inch rim, good tyre, left front mirror, left front door, no dents, left rear door, no dents, left rear wheel, steel, 17-inch rim, good tyre, tray, right rear wheel, steel, 17-inch rim, good tyre, right rear door, no dents, our center console, gear stick, heater controls, head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, and a 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio cruise and phone buttons, less airbag.